Alt-E Wind and Solar, a solar design and installation provider based out of northern Colorado. Here, we understand that solar energy is a rapidly changing industry that requires an extensive knowledge base from both installers and customers alike. Whether you're new to solar technology or a seasoned system owner looking to just do it yourself, we'll go over aspects of quality system installation and proper monitoring. Who knows, maybe you'll learn something from the videos found here. So explore our page and be sure to check back for more in the near future.